be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now before we get into this, I wanted to let you all know that my big brother, my older brother, has started his YouTube journey. Alright, he started a channel that's showing the progress of his car restorations. He has 3 cars, 3 older school kind of cars, a few of them from the 70s, one from the mid 80s that he's working on. And he's starting the journey to show you all the process of how he's rebuilding each of those cars. Alright, now you can find him here on YouTube at Big Ron Hen. Big Ron Hen. Alright, I'll try to make sure to leave a link in the description to his channel. But you all go on over there and check out my big brother and show your support and help him get started in this YouTube journey. Alright, now as for these, alright, I got these from the good people over at Corporate Got 'em. Alright, that is a sneaker boutique that I've spoken about before. They have one shop in Cincinnati, Ohio. Alright, and another one that I just discovered that opened in Dayton, Ohio, which is my hometown, Dayton, Ohio. Alright, so I got these from them, and they shipped them out very quickly, man. I want to say I ordered these on Thursday, and Saturday they were originally supposed to be here, but something happened with the mail. I got a notification that said shipped or out for delivery on Saturday, and then something happened, so I guess it didn't properly get loaded on the truck. But they were in the area Saturday, so that's very fast shipping between Corporate and the Oneness Boutique, which I believe are sister stores. They ship very fast, man, so I recommend shopping with them. Alright, so here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there without showing my address. Corporate got 'em. Alright, put that back in the box, and we go ahead and bring out the shoes. Alright, bam, here is the box. Boom, here's the sides, and there's the sides, and here's the bottom. Alright, now these are, once again, the Air Jordan 2/3. Alright, and the colorway is white, black, sail cement gray. Alright, and I got these bad boys in a size 14. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these, man. I'm glad that these came in. When I originally saw that these had released, I didn't see them in a size 14 initially. It was just every site had them stopped at a 13. And I said, what's going on? What is happening? Where is the extra size? And then it took a little while, but then Sneaker Dave, who works for Corporate, posted a link that said they're available, and when he posted that link, I went to Corporate site and saw the size 14, and everything's good. So let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. If you don't remember, I did do a review on the other ones here, but this is how the paper in the box looks. Alright, white paper with the 23s on them. Alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice. Don't sleep. Left. baby. Yes, sir. The Jordan 2-3 and that black and white sail colorway. Alright. Yeah. I like the Jordan 2-3s, man. I like these a lot. I just rocked these on Saturday. I was just wearing these. Not Saturday, I'm sorry. Today's Monday. Yesterday, I was wearing these. Yesterday, see, look at the dirt on the bottom. I was just wearing these yesterday. So, conveniently, these came. Boys, what do y'all want? What do y'all want? Huh? I'm making a video, boys. 1 second. Alright, boys needed to go outside, so I had to stop and let them out real quick. But, anyway, Air Jordan 2-3 and the black and white colorway. So far, I've only seen these released at the boutique shops, not on Nike's official website or Foot Locker or anything like that, but here they are, man. Very clean. This one, of course, is probably going to be more, you know, easy to rock with more than just red kind of colors like this one. Alright, so you're going to have to wear some red with this one for the most part, but this one you can probably wear with anything. Alright, this is going to be, you know, black and white kind of go with everything. Alright, I like Jordan 2 lows already. I like Jordan 2s anyway, right? I like Jordan 2 lows. Alright, speaking of that, hold on, let me see. So it even comes in the same box. So I did a short on these. I didn't do a full video, but these are Jordan 2 lows, my most recent pickup of those. And here they are. If you didn't see the short that I did for these, I got these for $67 shipped from Nike. Alright, so I like Jordan 2 lows, and these and the 2-3s, they're shaped the same. The only difference is the 2-3s have that Jordan 3 bottom. Alright, but the comfort of 2s, I always say Jordan 2s are probably the most comfortable Jordan there is. High top, low top, whatever. Jordan 2s are probably the most comfortable Jordans that there are. Alright, so let me go ahead and put these back. $67 shipped, man. You can't beat that. You just can't beat it. That's a steal. Retail, I think, was $160. Can't beat that. But on the inside, and you can see from the front, white laces. Nothing on the lace tips. Just regular white laces here. Nice, thick, soft, cushioned tongue. Alright, with your Air Jordan Wings logo on the tongue. Typical Jordan 2 fashion on the top. Let me get the paper out of the inside here. Take that out. Alright. Leather, fairly soft. Let me see. Is it softer? It almost feels more tumbled on the black and white pair than on the red pair. They're probably about equal, but this one just kind of looks a little bit more tumbled in the toe box area to me, just looking at it from here. Is it softer though? Might be a little, just a little bit. You take the paper, maybe slightly. Not much of a difference to be like, oh my god, this one's so much better quality. They're ultimately the same shoe, but this feels like it's a little bit softer of leather in the toe box area there. Alright, of course on the inside you got your size tag there, the size sticker I should say, Nike Air on the insole. Alright, and then on the bottom you got Nike, Then you got the pad there that match the colorway. White, gray. They don't have the size label or number that you normally have on Jordan 2s. They don't have that there. But your air unit here. So once again, everything below this point is the Jordan 3s. Alright? So that's why this is, the bottom is Jordan 3. It's not the Jordan 2 bottom, which would have your size number here. Alright? But you got your off-white kind of sail midsole there, and then the black going around the back and the side paneling. Alright? You got your black hits stitching around the side here. Once again on the other side, and then all around black going around the collar and the heel of the shoe. Nice cushion there, of course. That's what makes Jordan 2s super comfortable. Alright, but these are a very nice shoe, man. Very nice shoe. Glad that I was able to cop. I'm glad I waited it out and found a size 14 in these bad boys, because I like these a lot. Now, all I need, Jordan brand, is for a white and blue. White and blue, and we good. We good after that. It could even be all blue and white. We need a royal colorway of these now. You gave us the white and red. You gave us the black and white. We need royal. We need royal, and I think I can chill on the 2 3s now after that. Alright? But, anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. Let me check and see if there was any differences on the right. I don't think there is. Extra laces, no. Everything is the exact same. Alright? But I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.